Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope you're all having a great day. We are in the beautiful Icmeler and we're going to take a nice walk along the promenade. So let's see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. Really, really beautiful day.
Yeah, check this out guys, hold on, before I come off this bridge. Look how lovely day it is. How far you can see.
Someone fishing there as well.
Yeah.
Nice little spot to sit and fish.
And that you can see the fish if you can. If there is any fish. Oh, you can see them over there.
Oh, they're definitely in there.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
They've gone for the bread.
So, yeah. Let's keep going anyway. Come on. We're not here to look at fish. Let's see Wagwan.
See Wagwan. Are you coming to Turkey this year?
Are you coming, eh? It's a lot of people haven't been booking this year. We've been notified that bookings are down. Obviously, the war. So, you know, don't be scared, guys. Nothing's going on here. Look, beautiful as normal. Get booking. And if you don't book, it's pushing the price of the hotels down. So, I'll be back.
Yeah, definitely.
I'll take advantage of the cheaper hotels. Someone actually said one of the all-inclusives here in the posh part where we're staying is actually gone down to £10 per day per person.
It was 11.
Or £11, yeah. Obviously, I think you've got to book a few days, quite a lot of days, but imagine that, all-inclusive for that amount of money.
And you got this as your backdrop. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely stunning. So yeah, get booking, guys. Get yourself out here. Nothing to be worried about. Morning.
Morning. And if you want to know all the information, all the prices, we've got it all on the channel.
Yeah. So yeah, check the stunning view again, guys. And you've got Aqua Hotel here. The little water feature was on the last time. Yeah.
This one looks quite busy, isn't it?
Yeah. Very nice. Everyone enjoying the breakfast. And yeah, you got the stunning view. What more do you want? What more do you want? Southampton. Southampton. Yeah. No. No. Near London. That's why we're here.
Yeah, Kirk's been mistaken for true Turkish.
Have a look, guys, on. So, I'm Turkish.
Turkish.
So yeah, it's the beard. I thought I'd keep it this year for Turkey because it's nice to be thought as a local. Not asked, where are you from? Where are you from? So, Pier 15. It's very good in there. They play a bit of reggae. How you doing, brother? You okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
So yeah, Pier 15.
YouTube.
Wagwan
Tours.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
Anytime, you are more than welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's Pier 15, guys.
Yeah,
a really
got
nice
some
place.
Cocktails in there, haven't we?
This one does the cheaper beers. So this one does good prices.
Depending on what you want.
And what's
Is this one here last time?
BS Beach. It's completely changed. So BS Beach.
Bistro Cafe.
Yeah, BS
Morning.
Beach.
Good,
You're
thank you.
It's changed this year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, last year it was completely different.
Just the reason everybody start to look like us. The
Yeah.
design, same design. So we,
It's pink now. Pink. Last year's wooden.
well, yeah,
Pink
it was
and green.
wooden before. It was now we make it. I don't know.
Yeah.
It hasn't been set up yet. We're still working on
That's good
still
though. You
working.
can see it's coming.
to make it different than any others.
Yeah.
That's it. It's
The
better to be
unique,
unique.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
always best to be
Yeah,
unique.
in the beginning when we first 2015 when we started to do, we didn't know they had the woodens,
Yeah.
and then they start to copy us. So
Yeah, that's
what
it.
changed.
So now you're
Simply
like,
best.
you got cocktails again.
Exactly. And look, you got the beach here
We're
as well.
staying at the stuff. Mama's Park.
Yeah, Mama's Park. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
right.
Well,
So-
thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome, sir. If you want, you can join for drink.
No, we have to finish
we're
what we're doing.
filming.
But,
Okay.
So we'll come back.
See you on the way back for
Yeah.
the.
Yes, thank
See
you.
ya.
So yeah, it's all changed.
Yeah, brand new.
Coco.
You got Coco here.
Yeah. Hello.
And the little doggy as always. How are you? You alright?
So popular out
So you're
here.
right.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Hello everyone! Welcome to heaven! Oh, they must be jealous now you're here.
Exactly.
Yes, but they can get themselves
Exactly.
here.
This
Yes.
is the Coco place, Coco restaurant, Coco Beach.
Exactly.
And every night we have live music here, guys.
Yeah.
More than very welcome. We like to
Perfect.
see you. Maybe have a break, something to drink.
When we coming
When
back?
we come back.
See
Yeah.
you on way back. Catch
Thank
you
you.
later, guys.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye.
So yeah,
So cool.
you can see.
There you go.
It's looking a bit different for this year as well.
Yeah, it's all changed, isn't it?
Yeah. So as we always say, check out the beach here in Icmeler. Because as you see, you can got more space here to put your towels. Like when you're in Marmaris, there's no space. Zero space in Marmaris, and here,
Yeah, you
loads
go
and
right to the
loads of
end near the
space.
marina, don't you, to get some space.
So, what's that say? Contness?
Contest, yeah.
It's getting ready. Like I said, we are here beginning of season, so nothing is open just yet. These gardens
all
on the right
getting,
side.
yeah, very
This is
much
normally
ready.
in bloom, isn't it? Normally when you come here in like September, August, this whole area here is full of beautiful flowers. It's looking beautiful. But yeah,
Yeah, nice.
what a
and
lovely
stretchy.
day. What a lovely day. As you see, guys, every bar wants you to come in. Every single bar.
Yeah, good place to do pub golf.
Yeah, yeah. Plenty bars.
And they all, again, really great hospitality, really, really nice and friendly. So if you're sort of wanting somewhere where you get treated nicely, we've always been felt welcome here, haven't we?
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah. Like I said, as soon as they think I'm Turkish, they treat you different. Treat you like a local.
Got Ibiza Beach.
Yep, Ibiza Beach is here. Very nice.
This one was here last time, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Nothing changed on this one.
No.
All looks nice. So yeah. And then they got their beach on the side.
Hello.
Get him! Sunset Beach here. Very nice.
Very nice. Yeah. I think it's got a pool at the back as well. Looks like it's part of the complex.
Yeah, big complex. It's very beautiful.
Yeah,
Everyone's
very
done it
nice.
up. And Sunset Beach Cafe. Morning.
Morning.
So yeah, looking very nice. And you have the little coffee shop on the end. Let me know what's your favourite on the promenade, guys. Put it in the comments, let us know.
Yeah, where's your favourite bar to sit and chill for the day?
Yeah. So everyone has their favourite.
Yeah. Yeah, we was out with some subscribers yesterday, so shout out to Andy and Rachel, and they're saying how much they liked Bamboo. They went there, had a really lovely dinner for her birthday. So yeah, let us know, do you like sort of the beach promenade or going into the actual little bit of Icmeler? Nice areas.
What a day. Check the mountain out, guys. Beautiful, beautiful.
Walking into you.
Yeah. And people that when you walk and they can't walk in a straight line, they always walk into whoever they're walking with. She's does it, and I'm the victim. I'm a victim.
Yeah, nice to do a run along here. Perfect
See
sort of
that?
weather.
Right, so I found out about these flags. So it means there's a lifeguard on.
Ah, there we go.
If it's red, there's no lifeguard.
Right.
So that's
So
what it
if
means.
you're with kids or you're not a great swimmer, make sure you look out for the flag. Good lifeguard.
Yeah. So no cameras on the beach. Why not? It's Hotel Beach.
Ah, okay.
What, the water is the hotel as well? Yeah. Whew. Okay, that's a problem. They don't want promotion. That's their problem, not us. See how they control the beaches, eh?
And we'll finish it off here, won't we? Just admiring.
Exactly. So, well,
Got Farrows there, big hotel.
Yeah. As you can see.
So yeah, as come here, we're coming a bit to the main road. So yeah, we'll wrap it up, guys. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know where your favourite place to come and chill when you're in Icmeler. And if you haven't been, has this convinced you? See you guys on the next one.